So there it is, the new Tuff Shed. It's a 10 by 16. Legally we can put a 10 by 20, but our yard really isn't big enough for that size of a shed. And it's kind of a slanted yard, otherwise we probably would. I did not want any windows put in there because I want to put them in myself. I think I have a few ideas. I like the window selection better, choosing my own than using theirs. I did, however, have them put in a transom window in the door. They have really good door locks, door hardware, and the door's really built well. You can see, it opens all the way up, and pretty good subfloor here. It's kind of dark in here. I did have a 30-inch workbench put on this side, and it allows for a lot of storage below and above, actually. Right in the middle there is where I'm going to put a window. Just a little, get a little light in here and ventilation. You can see the ceiling has a reflective paint on it, and I also chose to have a ridge vent installed. I don't want it airtight. And then on the other side, I put in a 20-inch workbench, and it's a couple inches lower, and I'm not sure for yet what I'm going to put on each side. One side will probably have some tools like a drill press and a vise and maybe a bench grinder. And I'm thinking about putting in a couple of transom windows, I guess you might call it, with that are able to open, maybe between those two middle studs there, and maybe a couple over here, or maybe one over here. And then I'm not sure what I'm going to do on this back wall yet. I might put a couple of those tilt out windows as well. Anyway, I'm really impressed with the quality of Tuff Shed. On the last house I built my own, which was at better quality than this, I believe, humbly speaking. And let's take a look at the outside again. So the peak is actually less than 10 feet from the peak to the ground, which is within code. On the back side here, we've got plenty of, have a 5-foot distance between the fence and the property line and the shed. And anyway, so that's my new shed. I'm going to put some more vents in, I think. Anyway, thanks for watching.